A wrongful death lawsuit is a case where someone was killed due to the negligence of someone else. Negligence is just a legal word that means someone made a mistake that caused harm and killed someone. A lot of times these come up in truck accidents, vehicle collisions, drunk driver cases. It can happen at work if someone is killed on the job. And it's the vehicle by which the people that survived the person that was killed bring the claim. Now, who can bring a claim in a wrongful death case? That's going to be dependent on what state you're in. If you're in Texas, for example, the spouse, the child, and the parents of the person that was killed can bring a wrongful death case, as well as there's one that's called a survival action, which is for the estate of the person that passed away. And that case is pursued as if the person had survived and what they went through between when what happened and their death. If you have more questions about wrongful death cases, please reach out. We're here to help.